Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you one cool software which will let you monitor your internet speed connections and the uses of your internet data by various softwares. So without any further delay, let's begin. First of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to go to this website netbalancer.com. So as you can see, it's web page. So here what it mentions is monitor and limit unwanted traffic, or it's a Windows application for local network traffic control and monitoring. So as I've already downloaded this software and already installed too in my Windows PC, so I'm not going to do it again. So you click on this download link as you can see here in blue color. So you download the Net Balancer and install it on your Windows PC. So once you install, what you need to do is open or run the software and wait for a few seconds. So as you can see the user interface of these applications. So what you can see is here is you can see is the upload and download, that is the speed of your internet connectivities, and even you can monitor and check the various softwares or the applications that are using your internet data on the background. So here one more options here, net balancer tray, as you can see here. When you click on that net balancer tray, as you can see here, a small tray which will let you know the speeds of your internet connectivity, how much resource is being used up, everything you can see, you can monitor. And here is a big dashboard, as you can see this one, where you can see the various applications or the files that has been using your resources, that is your internet connections. So in this way you can monitor, you can do just like as you can see here this normal download priority for selected process. You can upload and you can see that here on this toolbar the download rate and the download speed, upload speeds, and the connections, as you can see. So when you use the browser, then you can see if you're browsing something. Let me show you one example. Say I'll be going to the google.com. So when you go to the websites, you can see here the speeds of your upload and download speeds of your internet connection. So it is very useful to monitor and track, and if you want to see the real time your data speeds and what applications are using your data on the background, you can control them. So use these applications if you really love monitoring or controlling your internet data and want to see what applications are using your internet data resources in the background. So in my opinion, you try it out yourself, and if you find any difficulty, leave your comments below in the video descriptions. And if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.